This 45,000 square foot facility is also home to Sodick UK. Here you'll find all you need if you're looking for reliable and highly accurate EDM, machining centres and injection moulding machines. Sodick's success stems from supplying a product that stands the test of time. With a 60% market share in the UK and almost 250,000 machines installed worldwide, let's take a look at why this brand is so popular. I picked out the ALC 600G linear drive wire EDM, and this is the benchmark when it comes to complete performance, which comprises of a powerful combination of speed, accuracy, reliability and efficiency. This machine is one of 50 offerings from Sodick and encompasses innovation at the highest level. Thanks to their iGroove feature, this machine will deliver massive cost savings to users whilst delivering the best in cutting performance. The ALC 600G also boasts a ceramic construction. This ensures no leakage, keeping all the power in the machine, delivering maximum output and performance permanently. Furthermore, the linear drive motors and eco-friendly features make this machine fast, quiet, unbelievably accurate and exceptionally economical to run. So when you've purchased a Sodick machine, of course, then you need to learn how to use it. Here at Warwick, they hold training courses every single week, and the courses are tailored to suit each and every customer. So when you're training, they're here for you and nobody else. Look at all of this. Now, the machine purchase is one thing, but what about service and support? Here, there's £5 million worth of spare parts and consumables, all guaranteed next day in the UK. And what's equally impressive, if you do need an engineer on site, you'll wait no more than 24 hours. You've seen it on screen, but come here and see it for real. Watch the technology in action and see firsthand why Sodick are #1 in global EDM sales. In fact, Sodick UK have recently experienced one of their best ever quarters in trading, and now you can see why.